Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Do you want to travel to Nepal? Okay, then let's go together in this video. In this video, you will experience a wonderful journey through Nepal with a slow and easy English story. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please try to find the answer while watching the video. So here is today's question. What is the Nepali name for Mount Everest? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
We are here. We are finally in Nepal.
I can't believe it. We really came to Nepal.
The flight was so long. I am a little tired.
Me too, but I feel excited now. Look at this place.
The air feels different here. It smells different too.
Yes, I can hear so many sounds. Horns, people talking, birds.
There are so many people outside the airport.
Everyone looks so friendly. I think this trip will be great.
Me too. Let's go. Our adventure starts now.
I can't wait. Nepal, here we come.
Mina, look at that. Those are the Himalaya mountains.
Oh my God, they are so beautiful. They are so big.
The sky is so clear this morning. We can see very far.
Which one is the tallest? Is that Mount Everest over there?
It might be. It is hard to tell from here, but Everest is the highest mountain in the world.
How tall is it?
It is 8,848 meters tall.
I can't even imagine that. It is higher than any airplane I've been on.
Well, not exactly, but it is very, very high.
That is amazing. Does Everest have a Nepali name?
Yes, in Nepal, they call it Sagar Matha. It means forehead of the sky.
That is a beautiful name. I like it.
This region is sometimes called the roof of the world. Now I understand why.
The Himalaya mountains are all along the north side of Nepal, right?
That is right. Many mountain climbers dream of coming here.
Do you know about the Sherpa people?
Yes, Sherpa people are experts at climbing these mountains. They help many climbers reach the top.
That is incredible, but we don't need to climb, right?
No, we don't. Just looking at the mountains is enough. It is already so moving.
I agree, but I heard that beginners can do trekking here too.
Yes, there are easy trekking courses. You don't need to be a professional.
That is nice to know. I feel like anyone can enjoy the mountains here.
Exactly. You don't have to be strong or brave. You just have to come here and look up.
Maybe next time we can try a short trek. For now, let's just enjoy this view.
Yes, I could look at these mountains all day.
So this is Kathmandu, the capital city of Nepal?
Yes, and this old part of the city is really special.
I read that the Kathmandu Valley has many UNESCO World Heritage Sites.
That is right. There is so much history here. Look at all these temples.
There are temples everywhere, and those tall, round towers are called stupas, right?
Yes, stupas. In Nepal, both Hinduism and Buddhism are very important.
That is interesting. Two religions living together peacefully.
People respect both religions here. You can see Hindu temples and Buddhist stupas very close to each other.
Ken, look. There is a cow walking on the street.
Yes, in Nepal, cows are sacred animals. They are holy.
So nobody bothers them? They just walk around freely?
That is right. It is completely normal here. People and cows share the road.
That is amazing. In Japan, you would never see a cow on a city street.
No, never.
And the car horns, there are so many. It is so loud.
I know, but I think honking is just part of daily life here. Drivers use horns to say, "I am here."
I see. It is different from Japan. Oh, that man just said namaste to us.
Namaste. It means hello in Nepali. Let's use it too.
Namaste. I love this greeting. It feels so warm.
Did you see? He smiled back at you. People here are really friendly.
Yes, I already feel at home in this city.
This is Boudhanath Stupa, one of the biggest stupas in the world.
It is huge, and it is so white and beautiful.
Boudhanath is a very important place for Tibetan Buddhism.
Look at all those colorful flags hanging everywhere. What are they?
Those are prayer flags. People believe that when the wind blows, the flags carry prayers into the sky.
That is such a lovely idea. The wind carries your wishes.
I like that idea too. It makes the wind feel special here.
Yes, every time the flags move, someone's prayer is traveling.
The flags have many colors: blue, white, red, green, and yellow. Each color has a meaning.
That is beautiful. I can see why people love this place.
Many people walk around the stupa slowly. It is a tradition. You walk in a circle around it.
Should we walk around it too?
Yes, let's do it. You walk clockwise. That means you go to the right.
I feel so calm here. The atmosphere is very peaceful.
Me too. My mind feels quiet. I think this place does that to people.
This is a perfect place for photos and videos too. Everything is so colorful.
You are right, but more than photos, I want to remember this feeling.
Me too. Some things are better felt than photographed. Buddhism is really deep in the hearts of Nepali people, isn't it?
Yes, it is. You can feel it here. Faith is part of their everyday life.
I think we can learn something from that. Taking time to be still and thankful.
I think so too. This was a special stop.
Ken, we made it to Pokhara.
This city is one of the most popular tourist places in Nepal.
I can see why. Look at this lake. It is so blue and calm.
And look at the mountains behind it. The Himalayas are reflected in the water.
It looks like a mirror. The mountain and the lake together. It is like a dream.
Did you know that Nepal has no sea? There is no ocean in this country.
Really? No beach at all?
That is right. Nepal is between India and China. It has no coast.
That is surprising. I didn't know that before.
Many people don't, but even without the sea, Nepal has incredible nature.
But the landscape is still so amazing. Mountains, lakes, forests, rivers.
Yes, Nepal has a very big difference in height, from low flat land to the highest mountains in the world.
That explains why the nature here is so rich and varied.
I heard you can go paragliding here in Pokhara.
Paragliding? You mean flying in the sky with a big parachute?
Yes, you can fly over this lake and see the mountains from the air.
That sounds incredible, but maybe a little scary.
Maybe, but it must be an unforgettable experience.
If we come back, let's try it together.
Deal. I will be scared, but I will do it.
You know, I think Nepal can be a really good country for travelers if you plan well.
I agree. For us, it has felt very safe and welcoming.
The people are kind and there is so much to see and do.
And the nature is everywhere. Mountains, lakes, rivers, forests. You never get bored.
I really love this place. Pokhara is my favorite so far.
I am so hungry. This restaurant looks nice. Let's eat here.
What should we order? I want to try real Nepali food.
Let's try dal bhat. It is the most common home-cooked meal in Nepal.
Dal bhat. What is that exactly?
Dal means lentil soup. It is a soup made from beans, and bhat means rice.
So it is bean soup and rice. That sounds simple but delicious.
It usually comes with vegetables and pickles on the side, too.
Do Nepali people eat this every day?
Yes, many people eat dal bhat twice a day. It is their main meal.
Wow, twice a day. They must really love it.
And here's the best part. You can get more rice and soup for free. Refills are free.
Free refills? That is so generous.
Let's also try momo. Look, it is on the menu.
Momo? What is that?
Momo is like a small dumpling. It looks a little like Chinese dumplings, but the shape and taste are different.
Oh, I love dumplings. Are there different kinds?
Yes, there are steamed momo and fried momo. Steamed ones are soft and juicy. Fried ones are crispy on the outside.
That sounds delicious. Let's get both.
Good idea. You know, the spices in Nepali food are not too strong.
Really? That is good. I was a little worried about that.
Yes, I think the taste is gentle. It is easy to eat for people from Japan.
That is great. I want to try many different Nepali dishes on this trip. Oh, one more thing. I heard that many Nepali people don't eat beef.
That is right, because cows are sacred in Hinduism, so you won't find much beef here.
I see. That makes sense. Oh, the food is here. It looks so good.
Let's eat. I can't wait.
This dal bhat is so warm and tasty. The soup is really nice.
And try the momo. How is it?
It is so good, soft and juicy. I think I like the steamed one more.
I like the fried one. It is crispy on the outside.
We should come back here for dinner too.
I think so too. Nepali food is now one of my favorites. It is getting dark. The lights in the city look so warm.
I can smell something nice. Is that incense?
Yes, many shops and homes burn incense in the evening. It is a common tradition here.
It is such a gentle smell. I love it.
Mina, what do you think about Nepal now, after spending time here?
I think the people here are the most wonderful part. Everyone was so kind to us.
I agree. Every person we met smiled at us and tried to help.
And time moves so slowly here. In Japan, everything is fast. Trains, work, daily life. But here, I can just breathe and relax.
I felt that too. My mind became very quiet during this trip. I wasn't checking my phone all the time.
That is true. I almost forgot about my phone here. Also, the prices are much lower than Japan. Hotels, food, everything. It is easy to travel here without spending too much.
Yes, you can enjoy a lot on a small budget. That is another reason I like this country.
It makes traveling feel free. You don't have to worry about money all the time. Before this trip, I only knew Nepal for Mount Everest, but now I know it is so much more than mountains.
Me too. The temples, the food, the culture, the people. Nepal has such a deep and rich culture.
It is not just about climbing. This country has real heart.
And the things we saw today, the stupa, the lake, the old city, each place told a story.
Yes, every place had its own feeling, its own beauty.
I think Nepal is a place that can change your heart. It changed mine.
Mine too. I feel more calm and grateful now.
The night sky here is so beautiful too. Can you see the stars?
Yes, so many stars. You can't see this many in Tokyo because of the city lights.
That is true. The sky here feels so close, like you could touch the stars.
It is so quiet now. I can hear insects and a gentle wind.
This is the perfect way to end our trip.
Ken, I want to come back to Nepal someday.
Me too. Let's come back. Next time, maybe we can try trekking in the mountains.
I would love that, and I want to try more Nepali food too.
Of course, there is still so much to see and eat.
Thank you, Nepal. This was a beautiful trip.
Thank you, Nepal. We will never forget this.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this slow and easy English travel story. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. What is the Nepali name for Mount Everest? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and feel more confident using English. If you liked this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.